Hey there, fellow drivers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down essential car maintenance tips to keep you safe on the road. Today, we're tackling how to check tire size in 2025. With advancements in automotive tech, checking your tire size has never been easier, but it's still a crucial skill for every vehicle owner. Why? Well, the right tire size ensures better handling, fuel efficiency, and overall safety. Plus, it helps avoid costly mistakes when buying replacements. First things first, park your vehicle on a flat, safe surface and engage the parking brake. This is key for your safety. Now, grab a flashlight if it's dimly lit, and head over to one of your tires. Look at the sidewall. That's the outer wall of the tire. You'll see a series of numbers and letters etched there, like P215/65 R15. That's your tire size code. Let me break it down for you. The P stands for passenger vehicle, 215 is the width of the tire in millimeters, 65 is the aspect ratio, the height of the sidewall as a percentage of the width, and R15 means it's a radial tire with a 15-inch diameter rim. In 2025, you might also use smart apps or your car's infotainment system to scan and verify this info instantly. Just point your phone at the tire and let AI do the work. Double-check all 4 tires to ensure they're the same size, unless your vehicle is designed otherwise, like some all-wheel drive models. If you notice any discrepancies, refer to your owner's manual or the door jamb sticker inside your car, which often lists the recommended sizes. One more tip. Always inspect for wear and tear while you're at it. If the treads are low, it's time for a replacement. Remember, improper tire sizes can lead to blowouts or poor performance, so don't skip this step. There you have it. Checking your tire size is straightforward and empowers you as a driver. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, drop a comment below, and subscribe for more 2025 auto hacks. Drive safe, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.